Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video and we have a special guest for this video, Himanshu.
Hey
He will be
guys.
doing my makeup. What products do you know about?
I know a lot of brands though, like Rare Beauty,
And like
Road,
blush, and
mascara, and okay, stuff like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
concealer,
yeah,
yeah,
Lip
lip
liner.
liners, eyeliners, eyeshadow, and stuff like that.
Nice, nice. So yeah, I have done my skincare. I use a moisturizer, which is the COSRX hyaluronic acid intensive cream moisturizer. It's really good. I love it. And then I also applied some sunscreen. It's just second nature to me. I always apply sunscreen. I use the Sunbum SPF 50 sunscreen, and I have some lip balm on my lips, and that's about it. He is gonna take over now and complete my face.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a try though.
Yeah, for reference, we have like a bunch of makeup here, so he's gonna figure it out, what concealer or like what base he wants to go for and everything.
Okay, so I guess
Yeah, that's the concealer. How are you deciding what spots to put concealer on?
I don't know. I'm just
Like you're just randomly.
maybe it's in my muscle
Okay.
memory or something. I don't know.
Okay. So just all over my face.
Maybe.
Okay. Oh, he does know that a beauty blender, like a sponge, is used to blend. Okay, I'm impressed.
Just let me know if you're getting
No.
it's hurting you.
It's all good. So yeah, I recently took out my wisdom, and it's been like a week, and I'm still recovering. I do have some pain left. I've spent the last week doing absolutely nothing, rotting in my bed, eating ice cream.
Thing looks like this.
It's a Givenchy
Oh, it's a
blush.
Givenchy blush. Yeah, that's a blush. What
Okay.
next?
Now, what do you think? What do you want?
Something with your eyes?
Could go for eyes or eyebrows, or you can also apply some highlighter. That's basically a shimmer blush that he's looking at, the Rare Beauty shimmer blush. Like I think it's called like glitter, and I think just shimmer blush or
Gotcha.
something like that.
Shadow, I
Next
guess.
is eyeshadow. And this is the Morphe eyeshadow palette that we are going to be using.
Basically, it looks like this.
So it's a very colorful eyeshadow palette. What are you trying to go for? Because there's a bunch of color options.
I'm just
The
dream walker.
pinky peach
Yeah, glittery
color.
pinky peach color.
It's this color. Next is he has taken like a pink matte color, and I think he's trying to blend it together. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do I look, guys?
An eyeliner maybe.
I only have a brown eyeliner that I bought like last year or something. I don't really use eyeliner. Let's see how this goes.
This looks ugly as fuck, bro. Looks ugly
But
as fuck. This is
mascara.
yeah, the mascara.
What?
The liner looks ugly as fuck. Can we like erase that or what?
No.
No, we cannot.
No.
So I guess that's pretty much it,
Unfortunately.
right?
What about the lips?
Oh, the lips. This might be the lip liner, I guess.
The
Revolution.
Makeup Revolution lip liner. I wanted a brown lip liner. I went into Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is what I found. It was cheap and it's really nice, creamy. So, just the job.
This-
I'm laughing because if you know me, you know that I overline the hell out of my lips.
that's what
everyone
I did.
knows it.
I mean, that's what I did, right?
But I could just feel it that he went a little like too hard on
Yeah,
it. Like
yeah.
it's an extra overline.
That's a lipstick, right?
A lip oil, but that goes really well with the lip liner. You could use that, or you could try something else, whatever you like.
So that's a Rare Beauty again.
Yeah, that's a Rare Beauty lip gloss. It's in the shade, it's a really nice shade, Spark. It's in the shade Spark.
I think I kind of broke this thing. No.
Really? Oh my god, don't open it too much, otherwise you'll end up breaking it.
Bro. Done. That's
What
pretty
do you
much
guys
it.
think about this? I'm going to be super honest. The base, like the concealer, the blush, looks good. Looks really good. The
Yeah,
eyeshadow is good too. We missed out on the brows, but that's fine. The eyeliner
Yeah,
is
that kind of looks like, yeah,
it's a piece
there are
of
many-
art.
yeah.
Eyeliner is something. And the lip situation.
6 on 10 maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I'll give it a 6 on 10. But overall, the look, I think I have to give a 10 on 10 for his effort. However, for the makeup itself, I rated like a 6 on 10.
I mean, just leave the eyes aside, and
Yeah.
the rest of the face looks pretty
Yeah.
good, right?
Yeah, it
Not
does.
bad for the first. I mean, like I've been doing. Oh, this is not,
This is your second time.
this is actually my
Yeah.
second time. But like the first time I did for my sister, it was probably like 6 years back, maybe. I don't remember. Like I was in college. So, it looks good though.
Yeah, it
I
looks
like
good.
it. Except the liner, everything else looks.
Yeah, I do think this is really good for someone who's doing
Thanks.
someone's makeup for the second time. It's
Yeah.
really good. That is the finished look. What do you guys think? This is the final look. Just to zoom in a bit, my hair is a mess today. Thank you so much for watching today's video.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Thank
later.
you so much. Bye.